This 47-foot quad slide ShowHauler coach offers a large, open front entertaining area with opposing seating with a sleeper sofa and jackknife bed, love seat with TV on a lift, large kitchen workspace with electric cooktop, stainless steel convection microwave, and a large stainless steel sink with either a cutting board worktop or the solid surface worktop. This floor plan is a bath and a half model with a half bath here in the mid hallway. And then also in the hallway, there's a large pantry. And washer and dryer enclosed. On your way to the private rear bedroom with a full-size king bed in this floor plan. Large expanded wardrobe with television. And then a private rear bath with tile shower. Seat, an inset niche for shampoo, conditioner. These also have covers for the bathroom sinks. This coach is at Flying A Motorsports. Give us a call today.